Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something pretty interesting at the intersection of mobile games and crypto hype. It's called Bitcoin Pusher, from a developer called Play Ember Spooky Zoodor. We've looked at the sources to figure out, why it's popular, but also what the real story is behind its promises.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's unpack this. The initial appeal is, well, it's obvious. It's that classic coin pusher game you see in arcades, right? Drop coins, push piles, that addictive feeling. You unlock boosters, upgrade your setup in the game. It looks like pure fun, easy, casual gaming. But, and this is key, it dangles this idea of earning real crypto.
Yeah, that mix is potent, isn't it? Fun gameplay plus the lure of making money. But if we cut straight to the chase, the source material is incredibly consistent on this point. And this is really the main takeaway for you listening. The app simply does not give out real Bitcoin, or any other usable cryptocurrency for that matter. Big disconnect between the name and reality.
Okay, so if the crypto promise isn't real, why are people playing long enough to complain? I mean, the complaints are numerous. Where do the sources say things really break down? What's the failure point here?
Well, what's fascinating, or maybe frustrating, is how the system seems set up. It looks like the goal isn't distributing crypto, it's maximizing how long you watch ads, while paying out basically nothing, the withdrawal process itself. Repeatedly described as just not working, people watch tons of ads, these mandatory ads, thinking they're getting closer to that cash out number.
And then when they actually try to, collect their supposed earnings.
Exactly. That's when they hit the wall.
Mhm.
A really common thing we see in the reports is messages like, daily limit exceeded.
Right.
But here's the kicker. They get this even after watching the ads that were supposed to increase the limit or, qualify them. It's like running a race for a prize and the finish line just keeps moving or the door slams shut right as you get there.
And looking at user reviews online, that feeling really comes through. People feel misled. The term lack of transparency comes up a lot, especially about cashing out. The general vibe is that they were sort of tricked by the Bitcoin name into watching ads with no real chance of getting paid.
And that consistency, seeing the same complaints across different places, it confirms what the deep dive suggests. Bitcoin Pusher seems built purely as an entertainment app funded by ads. It uses the Bitcoin brand almost like bait to get eyeballs on those advertisements. It's definitely not a way to actually earn crypto.
Which brings us to a final thought for you, something to maybe chew on. When you see apps like this getting away with, well, systems that promise payouts but don't deliver, it makes you wonder about this whole play-to-earn trend in mobile gaming, doesn't it? How much of it is genuine and how much is just, a new way to package ad watching? If your goal is actually getting cryptocurrency, maybe stick to the known regulated ways to do it. Safer bet.